Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can return and refund on AliExpress. So the first step you need to do is to open AliExpress. So open that app, and once you are on that app, click on account and click on shipped. Okay, or you can click on okay. Once you are here, click on view all to see your order. Okay, so that is completed, and here you can see an option of return and refund. So you simply need to click on that. Here you can see that the return period is expired, but you can see the complete detail how you can refund. So you simply need to add the details that why you want to refund and click on ok. So once you done that, here you can see that return and refunds. So these are the items that I refund previously. So this is a process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.